This roll decides how much I save today, and I'm not sure I can get through all the challenges. I'm doing a roll and save challenge today as part of my goal to save $10,000 this year using simple cash stuffing. I have 6 mini challenges, and sometimes all of them get money and sometimes they don't. But whatever it lands on, I'm making sure that I commit to completing the challenges. The very first dice roll tells me how many bills each challenge will get as I roll through and land on that number. And then I'll save that amount, and then it'll show me exactly where the money is going to be going into my budget. So we're going to go ahead and get started and see how these rolls play out today. I'm working with $40 today. This roll tells what we'll save, and it's a 3. The next rolls will go exactly to whatever number is on that placeholder, and it would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So here I got a 2 and a 6. So each one of those would get 3 bills. Continuing on, we got a 5 and a 6. 3 bills for each. Now we got a 5 and a 6 again. This 5 and 6 is doing good today. And we have 6 and 3 this time. 2 and 6. 6 is getting all the bills. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and put something on 1 and 4. That's the thing about this challenge. Sometimes some of them can get nothing, but I'm just committing to the process. I'm going to just continue through with it. All right, and over here I have this cash tray. I'm just going to put this up so that it's nice and organized so that I can count and see what's going into each of the challenges today. And the challenges are in my binder, but they are by different creators, and 2 of them are by myself, but this is just my way of keeping it in order. And this challenge is inspired by my love for matcha. That's my thing this month of February. I'm loving matcha tea, and it's got a lot of antioxidant properties, so it's excellent. All right, here in the number 1 spot, this one got $1 today. See how I did last week, so we get to mark off 1 hopefully. It's green today. All right, so this one has $12 from last week, and 1 today gives it 13. All right, so that one has not finished yet. We got 6. And this challenge had 4 last week, and 6 today is giving it 10. All right, challenge number 3. And the first 2 were the matcha tea savings by myself. They're in my Ko-Fi shop. And this challenge number 3 is by Cash and Calling, and it got $3 more today. So it has a total of 4. She's a creator on YouTube, and this is on her Ko-Fi shop. Okay, and today challenge 4 is a creator called Doodle Dollars, and she has a YouTube channel. This challenge saved $16 last week, and add that 1 more, it's got $17 total now, and she is on Ko-Fi. And this challenge 5 is by Teacher Mom Budgets. It had $8 last week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 this week. So it needs a couple more dollars to be completed, and she is on YouTube as well as has a Ko-Fi shop. Go check these creators out. And last but not least, this challenge in the number 6 spot, it had $4 last week. And we're going to add to that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's right, this one got all the dollars, didn't it? This might finish this out, actually. This one got 19. And it does complete this challenge. This challenge only needed $15 for it to be completed. And this is a lovely challenge by Melissa Manages. She has a YouTube channel, and I got this channel off of her Ko-Fi shop. Go ahead and check it out. I love this s'mores theme. And I do have something left over now because I'm just going to put this $15 away. And all of these challenges have some sort of food and drink type theme. And then with the money, you're going to need some sort of money, cash to put it away. And it just continues to show us that putting away small amounts do add up over time. And that's all I'm going to be putting away for today. The rest of this is going to just be rolled over into me doing my next challenge. And I do have the full playlist linked where I am doing the Mini Monday series. So if you like seeing how small savings can add up over time, go ahead and click through the playlist for something else to watch. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.